everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a detailed flip through of my brand new release launch January 25, Thursday 11 a.m. Central Time. They are so good and I am so excited to show you what's inside. It has been 3 years since I launched a seasonal sticker book. Last time I launched Icon I Will seasonal sticker book, which is such a big hit. We have been restocked a couple times and you guys love this book. So after 3 years, we have a brand new whimsical seasons premium hand-drawn sticker book. Join the family. As usual, you will get 24 pages of stickers sheets from us, and then 12 pages are on the matte finish, and then 12 pages on clear sticker paper. So you get both functional and decorative at the same time. Let's take a look. The first page is start from spring season first. You have beautiful pastel color palette for spring colors. I love those wild flowers, and also our hand-drawn detailed girls throughout this entire book. Spring is a lovely reminder of how beautiful change can be. And then where flowers bloom, so does hope. Spring has sprung. And this page have some Easter hint inside here. And then we have this beautiful girl with a floral dress. And this page is all boxes, and the dots help you to plan functionally with all the decorative stickers that's coming up. You have bicycle, girl biking, butterfly, this flower car, basket, bugs, picnic, and this girl, she's maybe come back from a flower shop. And you got this girl, she got her derby dress on. And this is over here have some St. Patrick's Day influence over here. Again, we have the girls combined with different elements together. Just help you to decorate your planner and journal easier. So now we're moving on to summer. So summer got this jewel tone and richer color. You have this like forest green, orange together. I just think the color palette are so beautiful. These two color combined. You got some pink and turquoise. I love this girl holding a pineapple. She's so cute. And this lady, she is doing some tropical vacation. And this is a page of our boxes with we have blank, we have line, and we have dots. So again, 3 pages of all clear stickers. A lot of you have our sticker already. You know our paper are extra smooth and thicker, and so does the clear. So love those tropical floral here. You got vacation. She's ready to go on her vacation. She is quietly reading a book. And then I love those papaya summer fruits here. You got some island seashell, some beach vibe. And summer memories last forever. I love she's taking pictures. So beautiful, perfect for memory keeping. Sunshine on my mind. Love this summer season. Now we are transitioning to fall, which got, like those dry florals. You got pumpkins, and then some fall leaves. Love this girl. We put her plaid outfit on. This girl, she's in a pumpkin picking area playing a guitar. Very, very relaxing. This is a whole page of boxes. Now we are moving on to the decorative sticker again. You got the girls, got the dry floral, beautiful, perfect for the fall. So detailed, apple picking. You got girls doing the pumpkin. She's Halloween ready, spooky season. Love this sweater and book and glasses. And apple pie, that's pumpkins. Pumpkin season, happy fall y'all. Hello pumpkin, autumn mood. So many beautiful fall colors and icons here. Even this blanket. Now we're transitioning to the holiday season and winter. So you have those frosty blue here, little reindeer. She's holding a sunset Mary. She's in front of a farm, holding a hot chocolate I think. She's drinking her coffee. As you know, coffee and the hot drinks are very important in Rongrong's art world. And this is a winter house. Here we got a little bit Valentine's Day going on. See, she has her beautiful roses in her red outfit with a little polka dot. So cute. And this is a whole box area with different patterns. Love it. Over here, this whole page is Christmas related. You got the tree, you got the girl very festive, you got present, ornament, and a little farmhouse and cookie. Over here we got Happy New Year's and Valentine's Day vibe. And then this is a whole page of like cold weather, winter. If you live in a like very cold area, you will find it's very relatable. So this is our 24-page of whimsical season, brand new sticker book coming, again, January 25, 11 a.m. Central Time on my shop, shoprongrong.com. Now we're moving on to Dallas. If you know, I have released a Chicago sticker pack as part of the Rongrong City Tour. And now our second city is Dallas. Let's take a look. Dallas. Oh, I forgot to mention that if you are going to go wild this year, it's also happening in Dallas. So how cool this you can grab this to decorate your planner for Go Wild. First page, this is a 10-page of sticker pack. You get 5 paper and 5 clear. So first page, you got the small boxes and bigger boxes. Howdy y'all, get it done. Then second page, you have Dallas cowboy and the girl in front of the farewell. And then this is a deep annual, is the art district for in Dallas. And then we get the girls and the Polaroid photos behind. Next one we have all Dallas girls in front of the skyline. Beautiful view. How about them cowboys? Howdy y'all, Dallas does it better. If you're from Dallas or if you know someone from Dallas, definitely grab one or let them know. Go wild, Dallas. Important to do, plan, important to do. I love the font in this pack. It's super unique. Love all these like landmarks about Dallas. So this is our second city. We are very excited to continue to develop more cities. Let me know which city you want me to draw. And also, it's international. It doesn't have to be U.S. Don't mess with Texas women. Howdy and the Cowboys. Love the sports, right? Here we got the baseball. Is it Rangers? Yes, it's Rangers. The bandana, the cowgirl boots. I love these boots. So beautiful. And Go Wild Dallas, the llamas, and the photo picture. This is great if you are going to go wild. This can be great for your memory keeping. And if you're not going to go wild, just you're from Dallas or you love Dallas, this is a great option for you to decorate that features your favorite city. Howdy y'all. The football helmet, the purple football, how cool, I love it. The hat, don't mess with Texas woman. And this page is all the girls, you know. That's what we're known for, is the girls. The hand-drawn fashion illustration. And you have the different sizes, different portion, and then you have the girl in a group. Here too, you have the girls in a group. You have the fonts, the quotes, everything all together. Our Dallas sticker pack, launched the same time, January 25, 11 a.m. Central Time. I'm so excited to show you our brand new PET tapes. If you are new to PET tapes, you are in a treat because our PET tapes is so unique and different. Let me explain to you. The one I want to show you is this called the Underland Tea Party. It features those like whimsical little caricatures, very like magical and fantasy land. The unique part about our PET tape is they are all pre-cut. So you don't have to use a scissor or knife cut yourself. You can use as a sticker, just peel it and then use it to decorate. How easy, super time saving and just more fun decorating, less time to cut. And also they are on a matte finish, which give you this like velvet matte look for your journal and planner. It doesn't have no reflection or anything, just very true to the design. So many like whimsical and fun designs in this PT tape. And the repeat is super long. You have a lot of unique ones. How cute is this cupcake? Love it. It's called the Wonderland Tea Party. If you love anything fantasy, whimsical, this is a great one for you to have. So butterfly. I love those beautiful watercolor butterfly for you with different sizes too. I know a lot of you love using butterfly for your journal and planner. So this is a great option. Very whimsical again, and then with like magical butterfly. You know, my one feature as name is like a boho type of vibe. So I love the feather, floral, and the pink. So I love this one also. It's called a boho dreams. It's called a navy blue wildflower. As you know, it has like a different variety of blue in the watercolor, beautiful watercolor style. So if you love blue, or you use a lot of blue for your journal, it gives you that like calm vibe. This is a great option. Astral magic, as you can see, is related to the sky, the star. So cute. It's kind of like the dreamland when you do your night journal. Very, very magical and fantasy to me. Which is the last one. This one is our Valentine's Day collection. As you see, a lot of roses, cute teddy bear, anything and everything represent love. We got chocolate, we got the arrow. I used some of those already because it's so cute. I created a Valentine's Day journal spread already, but you can see the in the big picture you have the rose, the word, the coffee or cupcake. There's very cute rose greenhouse, teddy bear, so many lovely elements that represent Valentine's Day. So if you're looking for something Valentine's Day, this one is your option too. Thank you everyone for watching my flip through. I love this January collection. Everything launched on January 25 at 11 a.m. Central Time at shoprongrong.com. See you there!